Okay, guys, an airline company is hiring workers right now fast. This one is a very quick and fast job that you can apply for right now wherever you are, anywhere in the world. This is an airline. You know, when an airline is talking, when an airline is hiring, they are paying real good, and that's all the details I'm going to be giving you in this video right now. So wait to the end of this video so you can get all the details for you to be able to apply for these airline jobs right now. And before I get into that video right now, if you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, let me tell you what you're missing, because I keep dishing out opportunities that are out there for you to take advantage of right now that you don't know about. That's all my research. Those are the things that I'm doing. I'm finding out and I'm bringing out these opportunities for you right now. So if you don't subscribe for this channel, and you are the one missing out, it's not me, man. A whole lot of people are missing out. So make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. I'm not even that bothered about a subscription right now. What I'm bothered about is you giving this video a thumbs up right now. Just click the thumbs up button right now to give this video a thumbs up to get it to 10,000 likes, because that in the heart of the YouTube algorithm shows YouTube that this video has a whole lot of information, and because you give it a thumbs up, they'll go ahead and show it to more people out there, and this video might go viral right now just because you did give it a thumbs up right now. And one thing I also want you to do is to just give your comment down below this video, positive or negative is all welcome, man, because I want to get better every day. That's my goal on this channel. So if you leave a comment down below this video, that will help me get better. I'll really appreciate it so much out there. And don't forget to share this video also, because even if you are not the one that get this job, maybe somebody you share this video with are the one that get this job. Just because you share the video on your social media, they are definitely going to appreciate you and thank you for the rest of their life, because you share a video that helped them to get a job and they're happy with the job, and you will be thanked forever for doing that. So that's why you need to share this video right now, because you don't even know who might get this job right now. It might be somebody in your family or somebody, your friends, or whoever in your community that will get this job right now. So make sure you share this video right now. And without further ado, let's get into the details of the video right now. So here is the website right now. This is Delta Airline. And some of you know Delta Airline, but you don't know that they are employing people right now to work with them. So look at right now, they say career at Delta. You want to build a career at Delta Airline right now. You have the passion of traveling all over the world. Delta is going to be the one to take you there right now. So there are 100,000 plus reasons to join Delta. What are yours? So let's read a little bit more details right now. There are 100,000 reasons to join Delta. Every one of our employees has their own. Some of us want to explore new places. Some are here to explore our own career potential. Some are curious about our culture, while others want to make a difference where they are. There is a whole world out there. Another one right here within Delta, which means that whatever keep you climbing, you will discover it with us. That's a great little piece they put out there. So basically all you just got to do right now, before you go ahead and click this search career right now to get your search, look at all the career that they have right here. Explore our career area. So look at what they have right now. They have ACS, cargo and clean. They have corporate. They have reservation, sales and customer care. They have flight attendants, pilots, students and early career, and they also have technical operation and engineering. Whichever one you want to apply for among the 7 career position that they